Welcome students, Tom Harmer, your accounting professor here, and this will be a demonstration of how to format for printing an accounting project. So this takes the lessons taught in the Excel practice and applies them to every different worksheet in an accounting project. So here we are in an accounting project here. I'm going to go through at the bottom the different pages or worksheets. We got the journal. Click here, here's the journal page. Here's a worksheet, here's your financial statements, there's your balance sheet, and there's your post-closing trial balance. So I come back here to the journal, and if I do a Control P, it'll show me a screenshot of what it's currently going to print for that one page. See, it says right here, print active sheets. If I pull that down, I go to print entire workbook, then it's going to go to, this goes to the page 1 of the workbook, which was that intro page, and then boom, I'm paging through. So you see all the garbage here that we get. So we page through the accounting project. So all of these worksheets in this accounting project have not been formatted for printing. They're in some various formats that aren't acceptable. Okay, so we come and I hit my escape key to get out of that. So seeing how a particular screen is formatted is very easy. We do a Control P, and then I'm going to come up to active worksheet, and that just shows the worksheet I'm in. You see this thing, it's got garbage over here we don't want. It doesn't have the entire journal in it. So I'm going to hit my escape. I come back and I highlight here what I want it to print. So highlight the columns like this. Okay, I just want to print those columns. I come up to page layout, and then I'm going to go to set print area, and then here I click on that little lower right corner right here, right? This is the magic in print formatting right here. You want to always come here. So it's in portrait format. It says 100% I'm going to fit to 1 page wide. That's what we want. And let's go 2 pages tall because it's a journal. We might not need 2 pages. We'll take a quick look. Print preview. So there's that. See, so it puts part of it down here on a second page. Okay, so I'm going to escape. I'll come back up here. I'll go to 1 tall. Print preview. Okay, that's, you see, it's pretty narrow in the page. So actually, to clean that up, I'd come down here and I'd get rid, escape, get rid of some of these rows that are blank. ED. Okay, now Control P, show print view, and that's all 1 page. You see, it's wider. We don't want something that's going to end up being too small of a font, so you want to go to try to get the report so it fills to the borders as much as possible. Okay, so now we formatted. You have to format each page. So now we go to the general ledger. I do a Control P here, and it's only got a portion of the ledger. Okay, so let's go here. I'll go ahead and just highlight the columns here. So, and that's let's come here and take a look. Ideally, we want to be sure that it fits 1 page wide, and in this case, we're going to go 2 pages tall. Print preview. Boom, boom. Oh, look at that. That is pretty narrow in the page. So let's go escape. Here again, I go 3 pages. Print preview. See, now it's full width. Okay. So 3 pages gets us a nice wide report. Now you see how a page broke here at the top of an account. So I'll come here to account 122. 122. And I'll insert a couple rows. Alt-I-R. Inserted rows. Now I do a Control P. Print preview. And you see that's gone. So my paging is better. There you go, so all of our reports end up real nice. Okay, so that's the general ledger. Now the worksheet, I do a Control P here, and I got all of this garbage over here that I don't want in the report. So I come back, escape, okay. Now I'm going to highlight what I just want the worksheet. So I highlight the worksheet, page layout, set print area, click over here. I want it to print on 1 page wide, 1 page tall. I should have set this to portrait, but we want it in landscape. Now I do a print preview. There we go. That is, it doesn't seem to quite fill the whole page, but sometimes it's just not that much material there for the size of a dog. We got an 8.5 by 11, and this is a pretty small spreadsheet. So there's that one. Now we go to statements, and we do a Control P here, and I'm just getting part of it. Okay, so now here I'm going to highlight the entire area I want. Okay, and I come to page layout, set print area. This is going to be in portrait, and we want it to all fit on 1 page wide, 1 page tall. Okay, another thing, let's take a look at our margins. They're reasonable. Our header, I have here at the bottom, I always like to have the name of the spreadsheet that you're in. When you print your reports, your format is last name, space first name, and then Evans 1, Evans 2, Sullivan 1, Sullivan 2, whatever, so I can always see exactly what's being submitted to me. Okay, so I want that. Sheet here, we set our grid lines in each report. We don't want the whole page cluttered with grid lines, so we don't check that box. Now let's take a print preview here. Okay, there you go. So we got it all on 1 page. Looks pretty decent. Okay, and then we come to the balance sheet. Well, we had that there. If we were doing it here, you know, I do a Control P. It's only got a portion of it. I hit the escape, come back, highlight the area I want in the report, page layout, set print area, come over here. This is going to be in portrait. We always fit it to 1 page. If we want 1 or 2 or 3, which you're always in control right here. Margins are okay. Header, footer, we got our footer there. Good, we don't have grid lines there, so print preview. There we go. Okay, escape. Now we come to a post closing. We do a Control P. It's garbage. Okay, so I'm going to come back here. Going to drag over. Oops, I don't want all of that garbage. I'm just going to take what I really want right there. Okay, page layout, set print area. Boom. All on 1 page. Good. It's in portrait. Header footers in there. Print preview. All looks good. Now if we come back here and there we go. Okay, now I come to entire workbook. Okay, and I'm paging through it now. Boom. Okay, there's our journal. All on 1 page. There's our general ledger in 3 pages. Then we go to our worksheet, 1 page in landscape. Then we've got our financial statements all on 1 page. We did do our balance sheet here. Okay, and then our post-closing. That's a properly formatted accounting project. So there you go. Best wishes to you, and take care.